I've been doing keto for over 2 months now, and I wanted to talk a little bit about this guy right here, C8 MCT oil. I'm sure some of you have heard of it. This is a sports research brand. I just mostly shopped on price. This was about $20 for the bottle. It's about hand size and about grip size. It is 16 fluid ounces. The suggested serving size is a tablespoon, so that works out to about 62 cents a serving. If you want to talk a little bit about MCT oil, basically what happens is it goes directly to your liver and it can be turned into ketones in less than 15 minutes. So it provides an immediate boost of ketones to your brain that kind of bypasses the normal process that might take an hour or two, where if you're shooting for all those longer chain fats to break down. And I do want to draw a distinction. Some of these products have a mixture of the C8 and C10 and C12. You want to make sure it is exclusively the C8 version, so it's the fastest acting version. How I usually take it, I may take a teaspoon in the morning, and what it does is it just puts me into a deeper state of ketosis. If you're already in keto, I don't know that it really puts you into keto. Your diet should be doing that naturally. When I first started taking it a month ago, I noticed that I could put a timer. In 15 minutes, I would feel that keto calm just from taking a teaspoon of it. Now it puts me into a little bit of a deeper ketosis, but not much. So if your diet is already optimized, I don't think for keto and your body's already adapted, I don't think that this necessarily does a lot. I guess I could up the dosage to around a tablespoon. But again, that gets expensive. If you're taking 2 tablespoons a day, which I know some people do, that's $1.20 a day you're spending on a supplement that you should really be getting from your diet naturally. Some people also have digestive and diarrhea problems with this. I never had any issue taking a teaspoon at a time. So was it worth it in my personal case? Probably yes, if you're starting out keto, because it can provide that bridge for when your body is still getting used to processing all that fat. But as someone who is fully adapted, I do like to keep a bottle around, but a bottle like this might last me 3 months. You know, I'm really not taking it that often. I'm just taking it for a little extra boost every now and then. So that's my final analysis. Probably worth it if you're starting keto, and it's probably worth having a bottle if you just to keep around. But you know, I wouldn't waste a bunch of money on this, on something that you should be getting from your diet anyway. My basic principle is any sort of supplement, you should be trying to get it from whole foods first before you tackle it from a supplemental perspective.